Hi guys, Royalty Jasmine here. In today's video, I will show you how I went from this to this in like 12 to 15 seconds. And excuse me for the dramatics here. I just wanted y'all to see, like, honey, everything is laid. Everything is laid. Everything is not the play. So this is my sleek ponytail that we are going to do here in about 5 to 7 minutes. So here's what I started with. My hair is already tied up. I'm going to pull it down and we are going to get it going. Shake, 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 shake. Let's go. You know how us lock babies do. So you need oil, water, conditioner, some sort of moisturization, gel, of course, a brush to brush your hair, toothbrush for your edges, and any type of Gorilla Glue or gel for your edges, mousse for flyaways, and holding spray. So first we start with spraying and moisturizing our hair with some hair moisturization. Again, any of your choice. You can use water, spray, oil, leave-in conditioner, as long as your hair is getting that daily moisture. We got locks. We want to make sure that it's getting moisturized properly. So I just kind of sprayed it on my hair and let it work it in with my fingers a little bit. And we move on to the next step, which is adding the oil. So you want to make sure you moisturize first and then put your oil in, which will lock your moisture in. So I don't use a lot, just a little bit. That's the Do Grow. We always use Do Grow. Well, I do. I've been using Do Grow for a very long time. So now I'm starting to form my ponytail. As you see, I flipped one. You might want to get like 1 or 2 or 3 pieces like from the middle of your ponytail. I choose not to use rubber bands or pins like that. Not saying that I don't use them, but I do. Here you'll see that I sectioned off like 3/4 of my hair and I wrap around the one lock around my other locks, and then I add in another section till it's neat, add another section till it's neat, no lumps and bubbles, pull out another lock to secure those other locks. And we are just neatening it up. We're making sure that all the locks are laid in their right places, and we are not pulling any damaged locks that we have in the front. We are just going to tuck those locks in once we have secured the ponytail. So if you want to know what color this is Hot Pink by Splat. This is a Walmart brand. It is bleach, so I don't bleach my hair but like every once a year, twice a year, if that. So this is something that I just did over the summer, and you can also see that I have just, you know, been damaging my hair a little bit. And so these quick styles are for when your hair is not freshly retwisted. So now you see we have our perfect pony, and we want it sleek. So I have an undercut. For those of you that didn't know, you always want to moisturize, brush, oil, same thing that you do with your hair. You want to treat your undercut the same way. So I'm tucking, making sure everything is secure, and then we will go ahead. Stiff, where, stiff, where, stiff, nowhere, 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 nowhere. All right, so we are going to add some gel. Listening to maybe Black Parade by Beyonce, Brown Skin Girl, I don't know. And you don't want to add too much because I probably had some on there yesterday, so I'm really just reactivating. I'm saying not too much, but I just put like a hell of a lot of gel on there. But that's okay though, because this is Black Girl Magic. This is what we do in the house anyway. So I'm using my Gorilla Glue and my toothbrush. I've bought several edge brushes. I don't know. The toothbrush just hangs around longer. I keep losing those brushes. So here you see the Gorilla Glue like actually like, you see that? You see that? You see that? You see how the Gorilla Glue is like glue? So we just going swoop, 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 shoop, 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 ooh, ooh, shoop, shoop, shoop. Oh, get it. Hey, 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 get all them hairs. Get all them hairs. Yes, and on the other side, you want to do the same thing. Hit it with the shoop, shoop, shoop. Damn. Shoop, shoop, shoop. See that? Hit it with the shoop. You gotta hold your fingers in your hands like that. That's how you get them edges. That's how you get them edges. So this is the holding spray that I was saving for last that a lot of black girls don't use. But I put the holding spray on my sleek ponytail. And I'm using my hands right now. I couldn't find my like adult brush. So I just kind of spray it, brush it on, rub it in, and then tie my hair down. And I'm about to see y'all in a couple seconds looking real cute after I put my makeup on and everything. So, ooh, hey, 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 hey. So I tried to show y'all my outfit and my camera just wasn't doing what it was supposed to do. So y'all got a little bit. And this is what I'm gonna do. Yes. Yes. Bye guys.